Hi guys, it's Diamond, and you can see here is a Bloody Mary letters here, and with the front pocket, and the front pocket is very cool because I I find this really beautiful raw edge to the front pocket, and because the customer she want to have the pocket enough to put an A6 notebook inside, and just in coincidence, here is just like a finger space can just to take things and put things from here. It's very convenient, and we can see the Bloody Mary is really beautiful leather. Yes, but unfortunately, because the leather shop I purchased, I ordered the leathers in Taiwan, and there is a very terrible things happen to the leather factory. Because I just know the news about a week, and they tell me their factory has a fire accident, so the fire destroyed their factory now. So many of my leaders all from the same factory. So I'm kind of little worried about the leaders will come in soon or not. And because I know they are very rich guys, so they say they will rebuilding their factory, but just not sure when and when to building it, and when we are to restart to sell the leathers. So that really make me a little worried. Yes. So in the future, because this piece of the Bloody Mary is the last piece in my shop, so I still have few orders in the Bloody Mary. So I'm thinking I will just go to ask my customers, can you switch to the white cherry or other leathers, or I just can't promise the Bloody Mary will come back when. So it's a bad news for me and also for you guys, but I think the factory will just coming back soon. Okay, so I will make the B6 white Bloody Mary with the folio pocket and the front chocolate the front pocket. Okay, so I'll make it now. See you guys. Hey guys, I'm back, and you can see the Bloody Mary with the chocolate brown pocket is done. It's really beautiful, and because the customer Jody, she tell me she liked the colors, and there are a color is in purple. So I just tell her why not just stitching and make all the elastic and the stitching all in the purple. So she said okay. I said you can just trust me, and I will make it really beautiful. So it is here now, and you can see with the purple stitching and with the purple elastic, it's really beautiful. Yes, you can see here. And inside, she also add a page holder. So I think the brown page holder just to balance with the front pocket, and it's really matched. So I make this color combination. I wish Jody you will love it. Yes, and say again, I don't know when the leather factory will be fixed down and will be restart to to produce the latest. So the Bloody Mary is run out in my shop, and now I have only the wild cherry in my shop. So I made the Bloody Mary, but also the wild cherry is also good, and I wish the factory will be back soon. Okay, and Jody, wish you will love this beautiful business wine in Bloody Mary and the chocolate from packet. Yeah. Okay. See you guys soon. Bye bye.